Apple Music headlines pop icon Rihanna for Super Bowl 57 halftime show, after Pepsi finished its 10-year sponsorship with the event. The annual Super Bowl has become a staple function for big brands to promote products and services. Why wouldn't they? The playoffs have tens of millions of people tuning in to see it. Aside from the famous halftime show that features high-profile pop stars, brands have presented remarkable and engaging campaigns leading to the big day. From short amusing ads to special event promos, brands have been using QR codes for their Super Bowl marketing campaigns. We've listed them down for you, so stay tuned. Here's our top Super Bowl QR code campaigns. Number 1, Floating QR Code by Coinbase, Super Bowl 56. Crypto platform Coinbase brought on the nostalgia as they showed a floating QR code resembling the famous DVD screensaver from the 2000s. People who scanned it were offered $15 in Bitcoin if they signed up for a Coinbase account. It resulted in millions of traffic on their site and even caused a crash. Number 2, Super Bowl Music Festival promo by Bud Light, Super Bowl 57. Bud Light started an early campaign for the Super Bowl festivities by using QR codes for their Bud Light pregame music festival giveaway. They put QR codes on signs and other promotional materials on selected stores where scanners were given the chance to win tickets to the Bud Light Super Bowl 57 Music Fest. Headliners for the music festival include Paramore, Dave Matthews Band, and Imagine Dragons. Number 3, Barbie Dream House by Rocket Mortgage, Super Bowl 56. Rocket Mortgage's Barbie Dream House ad starred Anna Kendrick, who played a real estate agent. Within the ad, an Easter egg was found on a kid wearing a t-shirt with a QR code that says Stock X on it, which is Rocket Mortgage's sister company, under Rocket Companies. The QR code led to a landing page that gave scanners a chance to win luxurious collectible items. Number 4, Robo-Dog by Kia, Super Bowl 56. Automotive company Kia introduced their new electric car model EV6 along with the adorable Robo-Dog. Their ad presented a QR code that led to a page called Robo-Dogment Reality, where people can bring Robo-Dog in their home through AR technology. The campaign also brought awareness to pet adoption in partnership with the Pet Finder Foundation. Number 5, AR Experience with The Weekend by Pepsi, Super Bowl 55. Pepsi placed QR codes on their canned products to hype people up for the halftime show. When scanned, it led to the Pepsi Super Bowl portal powered by AR technology. The neon blue portal featured clips and a track of the show's featured performer, The Weeknd. Number 6, Snap to Steal by Cheetos, Super Bowl 55. Cheetos launched their Snap to Steal campaign with an ad starring Mila Kunis, Ashton Kutcher, and Shaggy. Part of the campaign was a QR code ad that gave scanners a free bag of Cheetos Crunch Pop Mix. The snack brand also partnered up with Snapchat to give out free bags of the same treats. Fans were asked to scan the ad through the app's lens whenever it shows up on the screen during the game to claim their free snacks. Number 7, Sad Device by Pringles, Super Bowl 53. Pringles highlighted that their chips can be stacked and that people can combine different flavors to create a new one in their Sad Device ad. The people who were watching the ad from their Apple TV were shown a QR code that led to the snack's official Amazon page. This gave people the chance to buy the chips and experience the thrill of stacking the Pringles chips themselves. Number 8. Expensify This by Expensify, Super Bowl 53. Finance automation software Expensify put out a music video that doubles as an ad with 2 Chainz featuring Adam Scott. Dubbed as the world's first expensible Super Bowl ad, the video showed numerous QR code tags on luxury items. Scanners were given the chance to be reimbursed $200,000 cash for the ice-sculpted sports car found in the video, as long as they scan the QR code through the Expensify app. Number 9, The Cloud by GoDaddy, Super Bowl 46. Popular website building platform GoDaddy enticed viewers with a peek into their internet cloud, featuring Danica Patrick and the Pussycat Dolls. A QR code was displayed throughout the ad, which led scanners to a landing page where they can redeem discounts on the platform's services and products. The Super Bowl has been a host for revolutionary ads that combine different elements of advertising and modern technology. If you want to level up your advertising game like the brands we mentioned, adopting QR codes into your ads is the best move. It is a smart way for your brand to stand out and trigger consumer action within seconds. So, do you want to score big during the big game? Give the video a like, then tap the subscribe button to be notified on the tips and tricks of QR code marketing. Make sure to also browse our channel's videos to know more about crafting successful QR code campaigns. Powered by QR Tiger, the most advanced QR code generator.